So now we will start. We'll share you the screen. Our exercise 21.10. That only will do today. And a 4 soft drink cost $9. How much would you pay for 3 of these? Any more sums? Yes, little more sums are also there. So let me take this in our board first. So the question is 4 soft drinks cost how much? $9. How much would you pay for the 3? So you tell how much you will pay for this 3. 4 cost $9. 1 cost for 9 by $4. 3 cost $sign 9 by 4 into 3. Okay, have you understood this one? So yes, so we'll write that 9 into 3, 27 by $4. How much? That one? 27 divided by 4. That means $6.75. Now question number 2. Car travels 30 kilometers in 40 minutes. How long it will take to travel 45 kilometers the same speed? So you need to find the first speed. So we'll find first a speed. The speed is equal to distance by time. Everybody know this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It covers 30 kilometers and time will write in hours. It is given 40 minutes means how much hours? 40 by 60 hours. Cut with 3. That means 2 by 3 hours. So write 2 and 3. Cut with 2, 15. So we'll get 15 3s are 45 kilometers per hour. The unit will be kilometers per hour. So 45 kilometers per hour is the speed of the car. How long would it take to travel 45 kilometers? How much it will take time? Tell. So the car will take 1 hour to cover 45 kilometers. Is that clear? Question number 3. If a clock gains 20 seconds in 4 days, how much does it gain in 2 weeks? A clock gains 20 seconds in 4 days. How much does it gain in 2 weeks? What do you mean by gains? Gains means clock gains 20 seconds means. Will you say what does mean? Means becomes
sir.
become. Gains
Became,
means
sir, in
become faster in into 4 days, in 4 days, it became faster by 20 seconds. That means the time what it's showing will be incorrect. That means it will show 20 seconds more time. The time will not be exact same. So it becoming faster by 20 seconds in 4 days. So how much does it gain in 2 weeks? So how many days in a week? So you'll write first in 2 weeks. We have 14 days. Okay. So it gains 20 seconds in 4 days. We can write in return. So in 4 days, 20 seconds in one day, 20 by 4 seconds. That means 5 seconds. It gains 5 seconds in a day. So in 14 days, how much it will gain? Can you understand the writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so I'm making the ink a bit deeper or thicker line. So in 14 days, it will gain how much? 14 into 5, this much seconds. That means 70 seconds. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
70 seconds, it will become faster. Okay, question number 4 and 5. Will you do your own? Question number 4 and 5, will you do your own?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Try it.
Yes, sir. Try.
What the question number 4 is saying. 6 identical drums of oil weigh 90 kg in total. 6 identical drum. Total weight 90 kg. You just imagine the situation. So each drum can weigh how much? Each drum will 6 drums if the weight is 90 kg. That
kg.
means each
Sir, then 90 by 6 means 15.
very good. So we'll write here first to make me clean some portion of the board. Okay, so each drum will weigh each drum weight 90 by 6. That means 15 kg. Okay, how much would 111.5 drums weight? So the weight of So the weight of 11.5 drums. How much? 15 into 11.5.
Five.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
15 into 11.5 means how much we are getting?
Sir, 172.5.
Yes. This much. 172.5 kg. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 5. An athletes run 4.5 kilometer in 15 seconds. 4.5 kilometers running in 15 seconds. How far would it run in 35 minutes at the same speed? So 4.5 kilometers in 15 minutes. In 35 minutes, how much kilometers? Or how much distance?
Distance.
So we'll write in that way that in 15 minutes, 4.5 kilometer. First, we will convert into meter. So we'll write that this one in 15 minutes, he runs 4.5 kilometers. That means 4,500 kilometers. Okay. In 15 minutes. So in 1 minute, he runs how much? 4,500. Sorry, we have written here wrong. 4.5 kilometers converted into meter.
Sir,
That
meter.
means
Yes.
yes. We'll write 4,500 meters. 4,500 by how much? 15.
15.
That means 300 meters. Okay. So
Yes.
in 1 minute. So in 35 minutes, we'll write that. Therefore, in 35 minutes, it will run 35 into 300 meters. 0, 0, 3 5 is 15, 5, 1 carry, 3 9, 1, 10. So 10,500 meter. That means 10.5 kilometers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what we will do next? Our next exercise. Or the same exercise, we have few sums still left. Okay. So we'll go for next exercise. Same exercise, some of the sums are there. 6. To make 12 muffins, you need this much gram of flour, this much gram of sultanas, and this much gram of margarine, and this much gram of milk, this much gram of sugar, and this much gram of salt. Now the question is, how much of each ingredients would you need to make 16 muffins? Can you do it your own? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Try it. Try it. I'm giving you 5 minutes time to do this. Okay, now see. First you, let me take this one in our board. So you have the questions to make 12 muffins. These are the ingredients you require. So how much of each ingredients would you need to make 16 of them? Right? To make 12, you require this much. To make one, you require by 16, sorry, by 12. And to make 16, you require into 16. That means cut it by 4, 4, 3. That means each of the product, whatever you have, everything you will multiply by this fraction 4 by 3.
Yes.
Understood? So flour require how much? Now 240
320.
into 4 by 3. That means 320. This require 48 into 4 by 3. That means 64. 64 grams. This require multiplied by 60 into 4 by 3 into 20. That means 80 grams. Okay, the same way all we will do. And now express the amount of flour to margarine in this recipe as a ratio. The amount of flour, how much? 320 grams. And amount of margarine is how much gram? 80 grams. So the ratio of them, amount of flour to the amount of margarine. 320 is to 80. 0, 0 cancel. 32 is to 8. Cut with 8. That means 4 is to 1. Okay. Now question number 7. A vendor sells frozen yogurt. Selling frozen yogurt and in 250 grams and 100 grams tubes. It cost rupees, in dollar, $1.75 for 250 grams and 80 cents for 100 grams. Which is better buy? That means where the comparatively ratio is better. Okay, today we have only to solve this up to this much. Next day we will go for the next sums. So vendor is selling yogurt once again 250 grams and 100 grams tubes. It cost this much dollar for 250 grams and 80 cents for 100 grams. How much cents makes a dollar? You know this?
No, sir.
100 makes a dollar. $1. Understood? Keep these things in your mind first. 100 cents makes a dollar. Done? Now,
Yes.
yeah, 100 cents makes a dollar. That already we have. So 250 grams, this much dollar. That means cost of 250 grams is 175. If you are multiplying with 100, 175 cents. Okay. So the cost of 1 gram, how much? Cost of 1 gram is 175 by 250. The cost of 100 grams is 175 by 250 into 100. 0, 0. Start with 25. 7. That means 70 cents. In 250 grams tube, if we calculate, the cost of 100 grams is coming 70 cents. And in 100 grams tubes, the cost of 100 grams is 80 cents. So which is better buy? The first one. That means 250 grams tube is better buy. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. A car used 45 liters of fuel to travel this much. How far could the car travel on 50 liter of fuel at the same rate? So what is the rate it's using the fuel? 495 kilometers with 45 liters. So now we'll find this much kilometers per liter. So do that. 495 divided by 45. That means 11 kilometers per liter it runs. So how much it travel with 50 liters? So with 50 liter, it goes how much? 50 into 11. This much kilometer. That means 550 kilometers. And how much fuel the car use for traveling? 190 kilometers. So 190 divided by this 11. This much liter fuel require. So you do that. 190 divided by 11. That means 17.27. 17.27 liters, or approximately we can write with 18 liters. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Going-
sir.
Going to end your class. Okay. Bye-bye.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Do the rest part as your homework.